Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quinoa chips. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup of your favorite flour, and 2 tablespoons of water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your choice of seasonings to make them truly yours. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a medium bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, flour, water, olive oil, and seasonings. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a firm, workable dough. Next, place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll it out very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thickness. Finally, cut your dough into small, uniform chip shapes. It's time to bake our chips to crispy perfection. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your shaped quinoa chips onto a baking sheet, making sure they are in a single layer and not overlapping. This ensures even cooking. Bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel wonderfully crisp to the touch. Keep a close eye on them. Once your quinoa chips are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This crucial step helps them achieve maximum crispiness. They are fantastic on their own, but even better when paired with your favorite dips, like a zesty salsa or creamy hummus. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature, and they'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious, homemade snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.